Hey everybody, today I'm making twice baked potatoes, and I just have 4 potatoes. I prefer russet potatoes. I'm rolling them in some canola oil, then I'll wrap in foil, and I will bake at 400 degrees for 1 hour. And we have them out now. They are way too hot to bother with, so I'm going to let them sit there and cool while I crunch up the bacon and get everything else ready. It doesn't, you need cheese, but I didn't have cheddar. I just used what I had on hand, and that was Colby, and it's just fine. I have about 1/8 of a cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter. So I've opened up the foil to hopefully let these cool a little bit more. You want them hot, but you don't want to get burned. And these are hot, hot, hot. So I'm going to cut the tops off, just slice those off. You can either cut these in half lengthwise or just slice off the top if you'd like a fuller potato. And I'll scrape the potato off the very thin tops as well, put that in the bowl. This is quite a bit of work, a lot of effort, but it is well worth it because they are delicious. These make a great side dish for Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner, or just dinner in general. Okay, they've cooled down enough that I can handle them a little more, even though you can see they still are hot. I'm just going to scrape out the potato flesh and get ready to mix all the ingredients in with that. You can use a potato masher, works just fine. I just seem to have misplaced mine, so I'm using a mixer, but you can use anything. Just even a fork works fine, just to mash it up to your desired consistency. All right, now I'm going to add the butter, 4 tablespoons of butter, and I don't know, I think I fried up or had about 7 leftover pieces of bacon. I'm going to leave some of it out to top the potatoes with. And there's just a little over 1/8 of a cup of milk. And I do warm the milk up for like 10 seconds in the microwave before I add to the potato mix. A dollop of sour cream, otherwise known as a heaping tablespoon. Now I'm adding some cheese and start mixing that up a little. As soon as I get this mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and fill the potato skins, and voila, twice baked potatoes. I've added the same toppings on top. Enjoy.